The most unplanned trip I have ever done with lots of cafe hopping and lovely views and show you the experiences also. Hi, starting with my new journey. So I right now in my home. I have my bus from Kashmiri Gate at 11 all set. My bags are ready. So chalte hain. Reached Kashmiri Gate in metro and here I am finally boarded the bus. So for the first time has booked the Zing Bus Max, which is considered as a luxury bus service. Look at the interiors. As we entered, a small food packet was given as a welcome. So it has a chips ka packet, a biscuit ka packet, which is Jim Jam, a fruity juice, and one small hajmola and some chocolates and tissue papers also. Just after that, dinner was also served in the bus. So it has chole chawal. You can look at the quantity. Salad and chutney was also there. Both quality and quantity was quite nice. After that, fruits as well as a sweet was also given as a dessert. During this time of having dinner, the bus was traveling in one lane, so it was very easy to eat comfortably in the bus. Followed by the dinner, they have taken order for the morning breakfast. So we stopped at Hotel Raja for the breakfast and I had ordered gobi ka paratha. Other than that, there was aloo paratha, bread omelette and some other things. Ticket price of the bus was 2445. So GB पहुँचते पहुँचते हमें 1:30 बज गया था and this was the stay that we have booked. This is Gufa's hostel and first time for me staying in a hostel. Have booked 4-bedded dorm and this is the view of the room. 2 bunk bed on both the sides. There was one small locker to keep all the stuffs and this is the mirror. An attached bathroom with this room. And this was my bed. Small fan was also attached. Side से window से ये वाला view मिल रहा था. And beside that there was a small charging port, a light, reading light and a rack to keep chotu motu saman. And this was the view from the outside balcony of the room. So it is located in the main GB market. And the charges for the stay in this hostel was 450 rupees around for 4-bedded room, but I will be suggesting if you are coming, please book the 6-bedded room, which will be charging you less and the rooms will be better. And that's the whole city view. और इसकी जो रिवर है वो थोड़ी नीचे की तरफ था, सो वी हैव टू वॉक डाउन अ लेन टू रीच द रिवर ओवर देयर. बहुत सारे कैफेज भी थे वहाँ पे. एंड दैट्स द व्यू ऑफ द होटल इन द नाइट ब्राइट येलो कलर. First we explored the Hope Cafe where the view were more amazing than the food. That's the old school cafe on the other side. आपको river cross करके उधर जाना होगा. So this was the second cafe that we have explored on the first day. River cross करके आना पड़ा, but this was all worth it and it was very beautiful. Not just from outside but also from the inside. The interior was also very beautiful and very cozy. It was just like a warm hug in the winters. Almost all the foods over here were very amazing. We tried the trout fish and lots of dessert over there. Next day, the morning started with this Paharo Wala traffic jam. The plan for the day was to visit the Jalori Pass. We started off with having a breakfast from a local shop. On the way towards Jalori Pass, this cute auntie makes all the food. We had the famous Siddu and the chutney. पहली चीज़ जो देखने आए हैं, that is Raghubar Fort. 3 किलोमीटर है. We have to walk down. This is the way. इस तरफ से आए हैं. There is the Sarosar Lake. वो शायद बाद में देखेंगे जाना है कि नहीं. सो स्टार्टिंग के जो 1.5 अराउंड 2 किलोमीटर है, इट वॉज जस्ट फ्लैट लैंड. ये जो जगह है ये बेसिकली द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ द ट्रैक. यू हैव गॉट सम ऑफ द मैगी पॉइंट्स ओवर देयर एंड इसके बाद वाला जो रास्ता है वो थोड़ी सी चढ़ाई है एज यू कैन सी ओवर देयर. And that's the top. There are few camping options also over there. It took us around 50-55 minutes to complete the whole trek. So that's the fort over there. Fort अलग से कुछ नहीं है, but just remainings of it. Just मंदिर बना हुआ है उस जगह पे. And that's the view. इस तरफ से शहरे दिख रहे हैं नीचे की तरफ, एंड ऑन द अदर साइड विल शो यू रेंजेस दिख रहे हैं पहाड़ों के. That's the view. The view made the place worth visiting to this place. These trees actually look like straight out of a painting. This was the starting part of the trek. जब वापस आ रही थी तब ये वीडियो क्लिप्स लिए थे मैंने. And it just took half an hour while coming down from the trek. This is the मंदिर just next to that place. इसके लेफ्ट तरफ से सरोसर लेक का ट्रैक भी शुरू होता है. We didn't went there, but we headed towards the Sorge to explore the cafe. The first cafe we visited was the French cafe, and this is the view. It has a both indoor as well as outdoor sitting. Indoor की जो sitting थी, it was again very cozy and beautiful. And everyone visiting to this place have written some message on the walls that makes the place more beautiful and special. And this was the view outside. One thing I want to mention about this place that more than the food, the host and the people over there were amazing. Next we went to the Ghar Cafe, which is Ghar 1964. Again an amazing and cozy place, and I will say this is the best cafe we have visited in the whole trip. We had some hot chocolate, which is a must try in this place, and some honey chili french fries along with that. The vibe of the cafe was something need to be mentioned. One of the best cafes I have ever visited in the mountains. Next day morning we went to Open Book Cafe, which was just opposite side of our stay in the GB market. ये है interiors cafe का, so it was very beautifully decorated. Compared to the other cafes, this was a bit costly, and इसकी जो menu थी, it was kind of a mix of bakery and mostly breakfast items. So हमने यहाँ पे ना बैठ के नीचे की तरफ गए, which was a outside sitting, ताकि हम धूप में बैठ पाए. But coming to the review of the food, we have ordered some pancakes and coffee, and food was very average compared to the price it was. And that's it with the trip. It was kind of a relaxing trip, just adding few random photos and videos from the trip, and that's me crocheting in one of those cafes. जो location, cafes and stay के बारे में बताया, I will pin all the locations over there. Thanks for watching.